Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty, health, and wellness products that make a real difference in your daily routines. If keeping your smile healthy and fresh has ever felt like a hassle, this next product might be exactly what you've been looking for. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our honest reviews and expert insights. Today, we're looking at the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser in gray WP-667, a professional-grade electric oral irrigator designed to elevate your oral hygiene routine. This bundle comes with a convenient tip storage case and 6 replacement flossing tips, making it ideal for multiple family members or anyone who wants a thorough, customizable flossing experience. The Aquarius Water Flosser offers 10 pressure settings, allowing you to tailor the water flow from gentle to powerful, and includes a massage mode to stimulate your gums. Its built-in timer and pacer gives subtle pauses at 30 seconds and 1 minute to help you track your flossing time efficiently. The 22-ounce removable reservoir provides over 90 seconds of continuous use, so there's no constant refilling mid-routine. And the flossing wand is small and maneuverable, perfect for reaching every corner of your mouth, including those tricky back teeth. What sets this flosser apart is its reputation. Waterpik is the #1 water flosser brand recommended by dental professionals and the first to earn the ADA seal of acceptance for safety and effectiveness. The bundle also includes 6 genuine replacement tips, 2 precision, classic jet tips, 2 orthodontic tips, and 2 Plaque Seeker tips, all neatly stored in a sturdy, hygienic case. Integrating the Aquarius into my routine was surprisingly simple. The setup is straightforward. The wand feels comfortable in the hand, and the adjustable pressure lets me start gently before moving to a more thorough clean. The tips rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to reach each tooth without awkward angles or splashing water everywhere. I noticed a significant difference in how clean my mouth felt immediately, especially along the gum line where traditional floss sometimes misses. One minor drawback is that the reservoir is large, so it occupies a bit of counter space, but that's a small trade-off for convenience. Some standout pros include the wide range of pressure settings, ease of use, hygienic tip storage, and the ability to share with family members thanks to multiple tips. On the flip side, it's a bit bulky for compact bathrooms, and the initial water pressure can feel intense until you adjust to your preferred setting. In terms of value, this flosser is on the higher end, but given the quality, performance, and professional endorsement, it's a solid investment for those serious about oral hygiene. Compared to other electric water flossers on the market, the Aquarius stands out for its combination of precision, tip variety, and ADA recognition. The materials feel durable, and the 3-year limited warranty offers additional peace of mind. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service from Waterpik has a strong reputation for responsiveness, which adds confidence if you ever encounter an issue. While I haven't needed to contact them personally, knowing that the brand is reliable is reassuring. If you're budget conscious, there are simpler water flossers available for less, but they often lack the versatility, tip variety, and professional-grade features of the Aquarius. For those who want a thorough, customizable experience backed by dental recommendations, this model delivers. Overall, the Waterpik Aquarius WP-667 excels at giving a complete, comfortable, and hygienic flossing experience. It's perfect for anyone who wants to improve their oral health, maintain clean gums, and reduce plaque with minimal hassle. Its strengths far outweigh the minor size inconvenience, and it's especially suitable for families or anyone who appreciates a high-quality, dentist-approved tool. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the comments, and if you've tried this water flosser, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts.